This is the elevator at the Q Creative Space Building in East Liberty, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's an old 1970s Dover traditional elevator. I wonder if this has an epic motor. Could it two? Oh, barely have to touch the button. One's burned out. Here, two, the pull indicator's burned out. Ooh. Go back down to one. Barely have to touch the button. Basic cab for an old elevator. This is a Dover traditional from the 70s, I believe. There's some keyholes and the pull indicator's burned out. I believe that's the emergency light. Here we go, one. Has the old bumper. Lockout, I guess. There it goes, and that's it. That's an interesting place for the in case of fire sign.